Majority of us only focus on a deposit when purchasing a property. However, there are a number of other costs to consider, especially when buying an investment property. Hi everyone, this is Ajaz, and these are the main upfront costs to consider when purchasing an investment property. Let's get started. How much deposit you have to pay depends on the purchase price and how you plan to pay. If you are buying using a mortgage, then most lenders will require a minimum 25% deposit of purchase price. For cash purchases, it is down to the seller what deposit they require. Also, if you are buying off plan, there may be a fixed amount or in some cases a 5% deposit required. When purchasing a property, you have to pay stamp duty, and for an investment property, you may need to pay 3% extra. The main exception to this is if you are purchasing your very first property, in which case you will pay standard home movers rates. Please check out the link in the video description to calculate stamp duty. You will have to pay solicitor's fee when purchasing a property, as this involves transfer of ownership between two parties. The legal process starts when your offer is accepted and continues until completion. It is recommended to use a local solicitor. However, it is a good idea to shop around. If you are financing the purchase through a lender, you may need to pay their legal fees as well. When financing your property purchase using a mortgage, following are the costs to consider: lender's arrangement fee, broker fee, and interest you will pay. You will also be required to get a property valuation, and the fees can vary depending on the type of valuation. With some lenders, you may be able to get free valuation and free legals. If you are planning to offer the property furnished to your tenants, you can buy a furniture pack. This allows you to furnish the whole property within your budget, as well as saving you time.